The most interesting thing about my animal is it has a long beak. I love it because it can talk. My favorite animal is the cat. The most interesting about my animal is they like to climb. I love this animal because it's cute. My favorite animal is the goldfish. The most interesting about my animal is goldfish can recognize people's faces. I love it because I love to touch it. My favorite animal is snake. It's soothing, it can sense skin and do a new one. The last animal is so great. My favorite animal is a rabbit. The most interesting about my animal is when it sleeps, it opens their eye. I love it because it's soft. My favorite animal is a raccoon. The most interesting about my animal is it's a good swimmer. It can live underwater for 15 minutes. It's born by the depth. I love it because it's cute and I like the mask on its face.